Hey guys, it's Rob, and this is Joe Knightus's channel. It's clearly Joe Knightus's channel. This is the guy who lives across the driveway from me, and he just, out of nowhere, has uploaded this video called Tired of Your Veiled Threats, and my computer is being kind of retarded right now, but let's play this video. Because apparently we're committing veiled threats against him. Oh, nice little gun. I guess the best way to respond to so-called veiled threats is to make is to threaten somebody with a gun, and blatantly. So yeah, nice little pea shooter, man. Anyways, bye.